Row matrix. A matrix having only one row is said to be row matrix. A matrix having only one row is called row matrix. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B equal to 1, 2, 3. In this matrix, we are having one row and four columns. This is R1. Here, first column, second column, third column, fourth column. So here, order of A equal to 1 cross 4. So this matrix is called row matrix. Since we have only one row, it is called row matrix. Similarly, in the matrix B, we are having only one row. So this matrix is also called a row matrix. Next, column matrix. A matrix having only one column is said to be column matrix. A matrix having only one column is called column matrix. C equal to 1, 3, 5. This is called a column matrix. It is called column matrix. Here we have first row, second row, third row, only one column, C1. So that the order of C equal to, we have 1, 3 cross 1. If you have any matrix which is having only one column, that matrix is always said to be column matrix. Exercise 3.1. First problem. Matrix A is given by 2, 5, 19, minus 7, 35, minus 2, 5 by 2, 12, root 3, 1, minus 5, 17. First one, order of the matrix. While finding the order of the matrix, we have to verify the total number of rows and total number of columns. Here the total number of rows equal to, here it is R1, first row it is, and it is R2, it is R3. So here we are having 3 rows. Now total number of columns, C1, this is C2, C3, C4. We are having 4 columns, so the order is 3 by 4. So the order of a matrix definition is number of rows by number of columns. Here we have the total number of rows equal to 3 by total number of columns equal to 4. So 3 by 4. Next, 2. The number of elements. The number of elements. The order of the matrix equal to, we are having 3 by 4. The number of elements, the total number of elements in the matrix equal to, we need to multiply 3 and 4. Number of rows into number of columns. Number of rows equal to, here we are having 3. 3 into 4 equal to 12. So the total number of elements equal to, here we are having 12. Third one, write the elements A13, A21, A33, A24, A23. A13. A13 means the element which lies in first row and third column. Here first row is this one. Third column is C3 is this one. So the element which lies in first row and third column. First row and third column. That element is 19. This element lies in first row and third column. So that it's equal to 19. A21. The element which lies in second row and first column. Here second row is R2. First column is this one. Second row, first column, 35. A33. The element which lies in third row and third column. The third row is this one. And third column is this one. So minus 5. Next, A24. The element which lies in second row and fourth column. Here second row is this one, R2. Fourth column is this one. So the element is 12. A23. The element which lies in second row and third column, we have to get it now. Second row is R2 here. So R2. Third column is this one. So this is the element we have to take. Second row and third column equal to, we are having 5 by 2. Second problem. If a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 13 elements? Solution. If a matrix is having 24 elements, then what are the possible orders it can have? So whenever the matrix is having 24 elements, the possible orders can be for having 24 elements can be, whenever we have 24 elements, we can take the order can be 1 by 24. 1 into 24 equal to 24. So that we can take 1 by 24. Next, 2 by 12. 2 into 12 equal to 24. 3 by 8. 4 by 6. 4 into 6 equal to 24. Next, 6 into 6 by 4. 6 into 4 equal 24. So we can write 6 by 4, 8 by 3, 12 by 2, 24 by 1. These are the possible orders. Next, for 13 elements, what are the possible orders? 1 by 13. 1 into 13 equal to 13. So we can take 1 by 13. Also we can take 13 by 1. 13 by 1 equal to, that means 13 into 1 equal to 13. So only two possible orders will be there when the matrix is having 13 elements. If a matrix is having 24 elements, the orders can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third problem. If a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders? It can have. What if it has 5 elements? Solution. If a matrix is having 18 elements, the possible orders can be 1 by 18, 1 into 18 equal to 18, 2 into 9 equal to 18. So 2 by 9 you can take, 3 by 6, 6 by 3, 6 into 3 equal to 80. So you can take 6 by 3 and 9 by 2. Next 18 by 1. These are the possible orders. If you take 5 elements, 1 by 5, 5 by 1. Only two possible orders will be there. Fourth problem. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix A equal to Aij, whose elements are given by 1. Aij equal to I plus j whole square by 2. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix A equal to the matrix Aij, whose elements are given by, each element Aij should be equal to I plus j whole square by 2. We have to write a 2 by 2 matrix. First let me write the general form of a 2 by 2 matrix. So here Aij 2 cross 2 equal to, it is having 2 rows and 2 columns. then the matrix is A11, A12. It lies in first row and first column, so we take it as A11, A12. It lies in first row and second column, A21 second row and first column, A22. Now Aij equal to I plus j whole square by 2. So it is given that Aij equal to I plus j whole power 2 whole by 2. Now A11 equal to, here I equal to 1, j equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 whole square by 2. So 2 square 4 by 2 equal to 2. A12 equal to, in the place of I we are having 1, in the place of j we are having 2. So we take it as I plus j whole square. So 1 plus 2 whole square by 2 equal to 3 square by 2 equal to 9 by 2. A21 equal to 2 plus 1 whole square by 2, 3 square by 2 equal to 9 by 2. A22 equal to 2 plus 2 whole square by 2 equal to 4 square by 2, 16 by 2 equal to 8. Therefore, the matrix A equal to, here we are getting A11 equal to, we have 2, A12 equal to 9 by 2, A21 equal to 9 by 2, A22 equal to 8. This is the required matrix. Third problem. Third problem is given by Aij equal to, the element Aij equal to I plus 2j whole square by 2. I plus 2j whole square by 2. Now here the matrix A equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. Aij is defined by I plus 2j whole square by 2. So here A11 equal to, A11 equal to, here this is I, this is j. So I plus, I equal to 1 here, 1 plus 2 into j. J equal to what you have here? 1. So 2 into 1 whole square by 2. It implies 1 plus 2, 3 square by 2 equal to 9 by 2. Next, A12 equal to I plus 2j, 1 plus 2 into j equal to, here we are having 2 whole square by 2. So it implies 1 plus 4, 5, 5 square, 5 square by 2 equal to 25 by 2. Now A21 equal to I plus, I equal to 2 we are having, 2 plus 2 into j equal to, here we are having 1, so into 1 whole square by 2. So 2 plus 2 equal to 4, so 4 square by 2 equal to 16 by 2 equal to 8. Now A22 equal to I plus 2 into j. J equal to, here we are having 2 into 2 whole square by 2 equal to 2 into 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 square by 2 equal to 36 by 2 equal to 18. Therefore, the required matrix A equal to, we have 9 by 2, 25 by 2, 8, 18. This is the required matrix. Construct a 3 by 4 matrix whose elements are given by Aij equal to 1 by 2 into minus 3i plus j. Second problem is Aij equal to 2i minus j. Here the first problem is Aij, the element Aij is defined by 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 3i plus j. Here we take the matrix first Aij 3 by 4 equal to, here we have to take 3 rows and 4 columns, equal to A11, A12, A13, 4 columns, so that A14, next A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34. This is the matrix. Now here A11 equal to A11, I equal to 1, j equal to 1. The element Aij is defined by 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 3i plus j. So I equal to 1, j equal to 1. So minus 3 into 1 plus 1. Similarly, A12 equal to 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 3 into I equal to 1 plus 2. Next, 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 3 into 1 plus 3. Next, A14, I equal to 1, j equal to 4. Here, in the place of I, take 1. In the place of j, take 4. So it implies 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 3 into 1 plus 4. Similarly, next one, 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 3 into 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 3 into 2 plus 2. 1 by 2 into A23, I equal to 2, j equal to 3. So it implies minus 3 into 2 plus j 3. 1 by 2 into A24, minus 3 into 2 plus j equal to 4. Next one, 1 by 2 into A31, I equal to 3, j equal to 4. Just write in the place of I 3, in the place of j 1. So 1 by 2 into minus 3 into 3 plus 1. Next A32, 1 by 2 into minus 3 into 3 plus 2. 1 by 2 into minus 3 into 3 plus 3. 1 by 2 into minus 3 into 3 plus 4. Now we have to simplify this. So it implies 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 2. Next 1 by 2 into minus 3 plus 2 modulus of minus 1. 1 by 2 into minus 3 plus 3 0. Next 1 by 2 into 1. 1 by 2 into minus 6 plus 1 minus 5. 1 by 2 into minus 6 plus 2 minus 4. 1 by 2 into minus 6 plus 3 minus 3. 1 by 2 into minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. 1 by 2 into minus 9 plus 1 minus 8. 1 by 2 into minus 9 plus 2 minus 7. Minus 9 plus 3 minus 6. 1 by 2 into minus 9 plus 4 minus 5. Modulus of minus 5. After simplification, we get it as modulus of minus 2 is always plus 2 only. So plus 2 by 2 equal to 1. So this is 1 by 2 and this is equal to 0 and 1 by 2. Next 5 by 2, 4 by 2, 2. Modulus of minus 3 means plus 3. So 3 by 2. Next 1, 4 by 8 by 2. So equal to 4. 7 by 2, 3, 5 by 2. So this is the required answer. Next, seventh problem. Sixth problem. Find the values of x, y and z from the following equations. 1, 4, 3, x 5 equal to y z 1 5. Here this is one matrix and this is one more matrix. Equality of matrices. When do you say two matrices are equal? Two matrices are said to be equal if the corresponding elements are equal. So what is the corresponding element of 4 in this matrix? 4 equal to y. Next, what is the corresponding element of 3 in this matrix? Z. Z equal to 3. X equal to 1. 5 equal to 5. So x equal to 1, y equal to 4 and z equal to 3. Second problem. X plus y 2, 5 plus z xy equal to 6 to 5 8. Here the corresponding element of x plus y equal to 6. So take x plus y equal to 6. Next 2, 2 same. 5 plus z equal to 5. 5. So 5, 5 cancel. So z equal to 0. Here xy equal to 8. xy equal to 8. It implies y equal to 8 by x. Now we have x plus y equal to 6. Now we have to find the values of x and y. Already we got z value, z equal to 0. So take y equal to 8 by x plus 8 by x equal to 6. It implies x square plus 8 by x equal to 6. X square plus 8 equal to cross multiply. So x square plus 8 equal to 6x. It implies x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Now the factors are x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8 equal to 0. It implies take x common from this, x into x minus 4 minus 2 into x minus 4 equal to 0. X minus 4 common into x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 4 or x equal to 2. So when x equal to 4, y equal to 8 by x. So 8 by 4 equal to 2. So one solution is x equal to 4, y equal to 2 and z equal to 0. Similarly, one more we have when x equal to one solution is x equal to 4, y equal to 2 and z equal to 0. Here we got two values for x. When x equal to 4, we got the solution. Now take x equal to 2. When x equal to 2, y equal to 8 by x. So put x equal to 2 here. So 8 by 2 equal to 4. So another solution is x equal to 2, y equal to 4 and z equal to 0. Third problem. X plus y plus z, x plus z, y plus z equal to 9, 5, 7. Here we have to find the values of x, y, z. So take x plus y plus, whenever two matrices are equal, we say that the corresponding elements are equal. So x plus y plus z equal to 9, x plus z equal to 5 and y plus z equal to 7. Take x plus z equal to 5 in this. X plus y plus z equal to 9. Put x plus z equal to 5 in 1. So it implies 5 plus y equal to 9, y equal to 4. So we got the value of y equal to 4. So it implies y plus z equal to 7. Put y equal to 4 in this equation now. So when you put y equal to 4 here, 4 plus z equal to 7. So it implies z equal to 7 minus 4 equal to 3. Now we have to find the value of x value. We got y equal to 4, z equal to 3. Now we have to find x value. So it implies take x plus z equal to 5, x equal to x plus z equal to 3 equal to 5, x equal to 5 minus 3. So x equal to 2. Therefore x equal to 2, y equal to 4, z equal to 3. This is the solution. Eighth problem. A equal to Aij m by n is a square matrix if A m less than n, B m greater than n, C m equal to n, D none. A equal to Aij m by n is a square matrix. When do you say that it is a square matrix? If the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. Here the number of rows equal to m and the number of columns equal to n. So when m equal to n, this matrix is said to be a square matrix. So answer is m equal to n. Ninth problem. Which of the given values of x and y make the following pairs of matrices equal? 3x plus 7, 5, y plus 1, 2 minus 3x, comma 0, y minus 2, 8, 4. Here, these two matrices are equal. So 3x plus 7, 5, y plus 1, 2 minus 3x equal to 0, y minus 2, 8, 4. So here 3x plus 7 equal to 0. So it implies 3x equal to minus 7, x equal to minus 7 by 3. Also 2 minus 3x equal to 4. 2 minus 4 equal to 3x. 3x equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 2 by 3. Y plus 1 equal to 8. This element is equal to this one. The corresponding element of y plus 1 is you are having 8. So y equal to 7. Y minus 2 equal to 5. So y equal to 7. Here the options are given by x equal to minus 1 by 3 comma 7. Option A is given by x equal to minus 1 by 3, y equal to 7. Option B is given by not possible to find. Not possible to find. Option C is given by y equal to 7, x equal to minus 2 by 3. Option D is given by x equal to minus 1 by 3, y equal to minus 2 by 3. Here we got x equal to minus 2 by 3. Suppose if you take x equal to minus 2 by 3 here we get 4. But if you take x equal to minus 7 by 3 here, we don't get 4. So that we say that not possible to find is the correct answer.